Smokescreen, Kevin Costner's estranged wife demands actor turn over Yellowstone contract in $400 million divorce battle. Kevin Costner's estranged wife has accused the Yellowstone hunk of being evasive about his financial assets in the bitter divorce battle over his $400 million fortune, RadarOnline.com can exclusively reveal. A raging Christine Baumgartner slammed her Field of Dreams ex in court documents asking a California judge to sanction Costner with an $8,985 fine for deploying a financial smokescreen just weeks before a crucial August 31st evidentiary hearing. Baumgartner, 49, complained Costner has only handled over financial records for only 4 of his 24 companies and has refused to turn over the books for his massive 4-film series Horizon, an American saga, and the contracts detailing his earnings for starring in the hit Yellowstone TV series. There is no telling what other documents in response to this demand that Costner has chosen to withhold because he continues to provide evasive and incomplete information regarding the documents in existence and his basis for refusing to produce them, Baumgartner's lawyer stated in court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com. Costner has made it evident that he will refuse to produce all contracts related to his current business endeavors and professional services until there is an order compelling him to do so. The strategic attack by Baumgartner comes nearly 2 weeks after the Dances with Wolves actor skewered the mother of his 3 children, ages 16, 14 and 13, for refusing to answer basic discovery questions regarding the premarital agreement, PMA, which are needed for the November battle over alimony and child support payments. Costner accused Baumgartner of refusing to explain why she is contesting the prenup and asked the judge to slap her with a $14,237.50 fine for the stall tactics that have deprived his team of lawyers the opportunity to develop an attack plan for the crucial trial over the validity of the prenup. The bare-knuckle divorce brawl kicked off in May when Baumgartner blindsided the 68-year-old Hidden Figures actor with divorce papers after 18 years of marriage. She then refused to vacate his prized $145 million estate in Carpinteria, California, within 30 days as prescribed by the prenup. Baumgartner initially demanded $232,000 a month in child support, but Santa Barbara Superior Court Judge Thomas P. Anderl ended the skirmish last month when he ordered her to vacate the massive spread by July 31st and forced the Tin Cup star to temporarily pay $129,000 a month in support. The latest scrum kicked off on June 2nd when their respective lawyers and forensic accountants began bickering over what financial records are relevant in the divorce drama, the court documents showed. Baumgartner wanted the untouchable star to hand over records for every single penny he's earned over the past couple of years, while Costner's team is claiming some of the bookkeeping documents are Hollywood confidential. Costner is not entitled to ignore those reasonable requests and withhold the relevant documents that Baumgartner has requested, her lawyer Andy East Slane wrote in court documents. So far, Costner has refused to hand over any contracts for his massive Horizon film or the financial records for Yellowstone. In their August 18, 2023, Costner's counsel indicated for the first time that there is an operating agreement in effect with respect to Costner's Horizon project, but that Costner would not be producing it as it is highly confidential and not relevant. Costner's objection that such documents are highly confidential is similarly a smokescreen, as there is a confidentiality agreement in place in this matter that would resolve any such concerns. Costner's lawyers, however, argued they have provided documents for 98% of his cash flow available for support payments, since the terms of the prenup make all the financial evidence irrelevant. Costner complained his ex seeks documents that are not relevant given the parties entered into a premarital agreement containing a limitation on spousal support and providing that all income earned during marriage would be the separate property of the spouse earning the income and providing for no community property. Meanwhile, will Kevin Costner and Christine Baumgartner go to trial over bitter divorce battle? Court filings reveal details. The Yellowstone actor and his estranged wife have been at odds over their divorce settlement since May. Kevin Costner's messy divorce and legal battle with estranged wife Christine Baumgartner has played out in headlines and court filings for the world to see since the latter first filed on May 1st. The former couple have been at odds over a myriad of issues pertaining to their divorce settlement, especially over their prenuptial agreement and its stipulations on child support in their residential properties. Over the weekend, the two were seen together in public for the first time in the nearly 4 months of their ongoing legal battle as they headed into a deposition, but their time in court is far from over. Court documents previously obtained by People revealed that as Christine, 49, continues to challenge the validity of her and Kevin's 2004 prenup, the pair will be going to trial over it come this November. In the documents, the Yellowstone actors' legal team declared, 4 months into this matter, and 3 months away from the commencement of the trial on the validity of the PMA, Christine refuses to make known all of her contentions regarding the validity of the PMA meaning premarital agreement. In the discovery process in the lead-up to the November trial, Christine has allegedly both challenged many of the prenup stipulations and claimed she didn't fully understand its terms when she signed it. Her soon-to-be ex-husband, 68, described that move as stalling tactics to drag out their divorce proceedings and as gamesmanship of the worst sort. Kevin's legal team claimed Christine has refused to answer questions pertaining to her understanding of the prenup before she signed it and her willingness to do so at the time. The documents further revealed that she is arguing she felt pressured to sign the agreement because of the circumstances surrounding its execution, though Kevin's lawyers maintained this after she previously admitted she entered the agreement under her own free will. They argued, this contradicts the unambiguous language in the PMA wherein Christine represented in all caps that she voluntarily and free from duress, fraud, or undue influence entered into the agreement, and declared, Christine cannot have her cake and eat it too. Kevin and Christine's prenup agrees that the latter would receive a $1.5 million payout should they divorce, however she risks forfeiting the money by challenging the divorce settlement. Their prenup states, if Christine, in any manner, challenges or assists in the challenge of the validity or enforceability of any provision of this agreement, she shall lose any and all rights to receive any payment, property, or interest from Kevin pursuant to this agreement. Moreover, the prenup dictates that should either party retain counsel in order to either enforce or breach the agreement, as is the case now, the prevailing party would be reimbursed for the legal fees incurred by the non-prevailing party. Kevin and Christine tied the knot in 2004 and share 3 kids together, Caden, 16, Hayes, 14, and Grace, 13. He was previously married to Cindy Silva from 1978 to 1994, and they share kids Annie, 39, Lily, 36, and Joe, 35.
What brings you?
What's going on in the movie here?
Oh, really?